हेलो फ्रेंड्स। बहुत टाइम के बाद मैंने सोचा चलो एक वीडियो बनाते हैं बिकॉज सो मच chaos is happening and mean what what happened is very unfortunate with some of the warriors. So let's talk about Vibhor Anand. पहले तो we pray for his safety and that he gets released quickly, क्योंकि इतना भी उसने कुछ बुरा नहीं किया है that he deserves to be in jail and whatever is happening to him. लेकिन बात यहाँ तक पहुँची कैसे? Let's think about it. If we think about actions and consequences, तो if we all say that we never thought that something like this will happen, I think we are in denial or we are lying. Since it started, since he came out and started telling all those things, we knew that he's putting himself in danger. तो उसके विभोर आनंद के शुभ चिंतक अगर हम होते, we would have asked him that you know what, you stop doing this, because हमें ये पता है कि like he is not a CBI and he is holding press conference जिधर हम जा करके उससे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं कौन पकड़ा गया, किसको कैसे टॉर्चर हो रहा है, अब नेक्स्ट कौन से डेट को क्या होगा. तो वो कहीं ना कहीं हम अपनी क्यूरियोसिटी की भूख मिटाने के लिए हमने उसकी बलि चढ़ा दी. तो he got pushed. अब उसका रीज़न जो भी हो, इमोशनली या फिर he was just enjoying that attention maybe, and he tried his best to answer all those questions and try to show that he has the information. So we all knew that these actions will lead to some bad consequence, and yet we kept on doing it. और किसी भी चीज़ में if we are analyzing, we have to think about our role in it, because that is the only thing that we can control. We cannot control other people's actions, but we can control our action. अगर हम एनालाइज करेंगे और हम ये रियलाइज करें कि कहीं ना कहीं हमसे गलती हुई है, तो वी विल नॉट रिपीट इट. हम फिर से नहीं करेंगे और फिर से ये सिचुएशन नहीं आए. दूसरी बात, सब पूछ रहे हैं कि oh, don't you trust the information he gave, everything is true. तो पर्सनली मुझे आपसे कोई भी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. जितना आप जानते हैं मैं भी उतना ही जानती हूँ. I read the news, I watch Republic, I try to go find some people's tweets and that's it. तो जो विभोर आनंद जो न्यूज़ देता था उसकी दो पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है. One thing is what he said. He said that I have credible sources and we assumed someone very powerful उसके पीछे उसको backing है. Clearly they are not coming to help him right now. Second possibility is कि हम ही लोगों की तरह वो सारे न्यूज़ पढ़ के and he tried to make sense out of it and he connected the dots and used his imagination and he just answered all our questions. तो again these two are possibilities. किसी को एक सच लगता है, किसी को दूसरा सच लगता है. That doesn't make him a bad person. It might be like he committed मतलब उससे गलती हो गई, उसका एक कोई एक्शन गलत हो गया. That doesn't make anybody a bad person. We should always give people chance to fix it. क्योंकि मतलब हम भी तो उससे वो सब कुछ पूछते रहे जो हमें नहीं पूछना चाहिए था. The next thing we come about it, what he said about the family. So पहले ही भाई ये disclaimer, I do not know the family personally. I am also, while I'm answering this question, I'm trying to make sense of everything that is available in public domain. For all those people who say that we know or we understand what the family is going through, let me tell you, like भगवान ना करे कि हमें कभी भी समझ ना पड़े, but ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि हम नहीं समझ सकते, शायद वो लोग समझ सकते हैं who have been through this kind of situation. Only those people can understand. So we cannot understand. अब next है कि what Meetu Singh should have done that day. ठीक है, there can be many answers based on personality, how smart you are, how you deal with things, but there is no right and wrong action that you could have done. She was, मतलब I can't even imagine कि what she was going through, how she dealt with it. So अगर हम बार बार इस बारे में बात करते हैं, वो खुद ही शी मस्ट बी फीलिंग गिल्टी, हम उसको और भी गिल्टी फील कराते हैं. सो लेट्स नॉट गो देयर, लेट्स नॉट गो देयर प्लीज. दूसरा क्वेश्चन बार बार ये आता है कि डिड शी नो अबाउट व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग विद सुशांत सिंह Rajput, about whether there was somebody else there, whether he was protecting someone. So again, all we can do is speculate, and there are two possibilities. She might have known or she might have not known. अब दोनों बात हो सकती है कि उसको थोड़ा कुछ पता होगा, पूरी बात नहीं पता होगी, या उसको पूरी बात पता हो. तो why do we expect कि she should come out and make a statement or tell us or tell the media? She must be doing what the lawyer advises her, या फिर she must be giving her statement to the investigating agencies. तो जो ये हम expect करते हैं कि come out and speak, this is not our place to like ask for that. Let's support the family in every way we can. दूसरी बात ये थी, कौन सी बहन ऐसे छोड़ देगी अपने भाई को, उसको लेके जाना चाहिए था. तो रिमेंबर this, we are not talking about a 6 or 7-year-old kid here. We are talking about a 34-year-old, like an adult man, and सबके भाई बहन हैं. I don't think कि हम लोग अपने, कितना भी हम लोग प्यार करते हैं अपने भाई बहन से, we can make them do something, we can ask them, लेकिन ultimately वो वही करते हैं जो उनको करना होता है. We cannot make anybody do anything. और उसका दूसरा एस्पेक्ट ये भी है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जिन लोगों के अगेंस्ट में खड़े हो रहे थे, there is no running away from them. I feel so. They make an example out of you. They might be threatening his family, and there are examples in Bollywood that they can be framed, they can be left to live a life of shame. So maybe somewhere Sushant Singh Rajput realized that there is no running away. So there are so many questions. I know we talk about it, we speculate, but please do not let curiosity get the best of you. What do we learn of this situation? We truly want each and every warrior to be safe. We have to be careful of what we post or speak online. We must not push our fellow warriors to answer any questions to quench our curiosity. Like if anybody comes and tells, I have this information, we can always tell them, there is this CBI tip line, or there is a email ID, or there is this place where you can go and submit this information. Please do not just post it and come out and speak it, because we've seen what happens, what are the consequences. Anytime a warrior gets in trouble, 100 other warriors lose hope and drop out. We don't want that. We don't want that. It is our enemy's victory. Now, somewhere they want us to make these mistakes so that they can hold us accountable for maybe defamation or some illegal kisi section mein, kisi mein. So let's not do that. That is our defeat. We are here to spread positivity about SSR, ask for justice, and not give up. Stay united. Our strength is in our numbers. I want to again end this by uh, talking about what Sushant Singh Rajput said. In one of his tweets, he said that there are only three things in the world: there's atoms, space between atoms, and opinions. And about opinion, he said that it's yours and mine. Don't think about it as right and wrong. I'll again remind you, we are here to ask for justice, not to pass judgment. मेरे और आपके बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. हम किसी को पकड़ के बोले कि इसने किया, उसने किया, उससे कुछ नहीं होता है. We want the authorities, we want the, like our Prime Minister Amit Shah ji या फिर Dr. Swami to come out and say, or the investigative agencies to come out and hold them accountable. Not you and me. It has to come from the authorities, guys. And by doing these things, we just jeopardize our movement by making these unnecessary claims. So let's not do that. Stay safe, and each and every warrior counts. So please, we need to stay united. Our strength is in our numbers. Thank you.